Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us tonight. The flu outbreak is hitting people especially hard this year. 338 people have been stricken with the flu, and 6 people have died, 4 of them children. That's why 3 Western Michigan hospitals are taking extra precautions to protect their patients from the virus. Their new policy, you can only have 2 healthy visitors at a time in order to contain the spread of the flu.
A West Bloomfield couple knows all too well how fast the flu can turn deadly, and they want you to learn from their tragedy. 7 Action News reporter Cheryl Choden is live at Beaumont Hospital in Royal Oak. Cheryl, what happened to their little girl?
Well, on February 1st, 5-and-a-half-year-old Alana, according to her parents, went to bed feeling a little bit sick. In the middle of the night, she woke up with a fever of 106. They rushed her to the hospital, and to their shock and disbelief, 2 days later, she had died from the flu.
Alana was just a ball of joy. I mean, she was so vibrant, lots of energy. She had a personality. Everybody wanted to be with her. All her kids in school used to fight who's going to get to sit next to her that day.
Zachary Yoksich is talking about and remembering his 5-year-old daughter, Alana, who died from the flu nearly 10 years ago.
Next thing I knew, the doctor was standing there telling me that there was nothing he could do to help my daughter and that the influenza had attacked her brain. It was disbelief and shock. I mean, when the doctor said that, you know, I asked him, "You told me it was the flu. What are you talking about?" And he said, "I know, but unfortunately, people die from the flu."
Devastated, of course, and in shock, Zach and his wife reached out first to other families around the country who had suffered the same kind of loss. They urged the CDC to change the age guidelines for the flu shots, and then in 2009, they created Alana's Foundation.
Our main mission is to educate people about how dangerous the flu is and how important it is to get yourself vaccinated.
Zachary says he and his wife and their other children think about Alana all the time and hope and pray and believe that what they are doing will save lives.
When Alana died, obviously, I wanted to make it for something positive out of something so tragic. And I thought if I could change or prevent this from happening to even one family, that it would make a difference, and it would make it, you know, help me keep Alana's memory alive.
And Zach says he is urging everybody to get a flu shot if they have not, and if their child or even an adult is sick, really sick, he says, call the doctor right away, and if it's really bad, he said, get to a hospital right away. They are hoping in their daughter's memory they can save lives. At Beaumont Hospital, I'm Cheryl Choden, 7 Action News.
What strength to go through what they've gone through and to try to make something good out of it. Cheryl, what does the foundation do to actually get the message out to parents about the seriousness of this?
Well, what they do is, first of all, they have these flyers. You saw that in the story, and it has all kinds of symptoms and what you should do and about getting your flu shot. But also, Zach goes to churches and community groups, and he speaks to them about what they should do. And they've raised money, and they've gone to neighborhoods where people are underinsured or not insured at all, and they've opened clinics, even at cots at the shelter, to give out flu shots. They're doing everything possible, and this summer, right before the Dream Cruise, they're going to have a huge fundraiser so they can even provide more money and more shots for more people.
What great work they're doing, and we're happy to be a part of at least getting the message out. Cheryl, thank you very much.